Hi everyone, this is Kelly from Sunfeng. Today I'm gonna show you around our little cladding workshop, and I'm gonna introduce you our most popular little cladding machine in our global market. Come on, let me show you more. XFR 6063 machine has complete functions, diverse performance, and strong versatility. It will be suitable for some simple work pieces such as the shafts and the plates, and it will be also suitable for some complex work pieces such as the balls and curved surfaces. Now let me introduce and demonstrate you in more detail. The machine is usually standard with 6 meters long bed length and 6 meters long robot walking axis. And for the robot, we usually use Fanuc and Supplier robot brands, and you could choose other brands also. And for the chart, we usually use 600mm diameters chart, and for the rotation meter, it is usually with 1500 millimeters. Okay, now let's switch to our powder feeder zone. For SFR 6063, we usually use pneumatic barrel powder feeder zone, and for each one, it is usually load 2.5 liters, and it is clear to see that it has 2 glass bottles. So if you think it's time for you to take some powder in it, you could clearly see. And here is a little servo model to make the powder very well. And it will have other functions such as non-stop refilling powder and heat treatment and shortage alarm. If you shortage of the powder, it will be alarmed. And it's the destructor to keep the millation. And here is the powder feeder panel, and you could adjust some parameters on it. And for this zone, it is our airflow, and airflow is usually from 3 to 30 liters per minute, and the powder quantity is usually 0.5 to 150 grams per minute, and the air pressure is usually 2 to 6 bar. Okay, now let me show you our water chiller. Come on, follow me. This is our water chiller, and usually the 6 kilowatts laser source will equipped with 6 kilowatts water chiller. And for water chiller brands, we usually use SMA, Tongfei, and Hanli to choose. And you could say it is our protection gas pipe to protect our little source and even the little cladding pad. And that way is our water pipe. And for the water chiller, we usually equip with pure water and with the anti-freeze with compression better no more than 30%. Okay, and here come to our little source. For this one, we usually use max and breakers. Also, the little line you could choose. For SFR 63 standard machine, we usually use 6 kilowatts, and you could choose 12 kilowatts also. And between 6 with 12, usually the 12 will have more efficient, and it will be highly improve your process efficiency. Okay, that's our little source. Now here, this one is our robot control cabinet, and for this one, it is our full system electricity cabinet to control the whole little cladding system. Okay, follow me. Okay, now let me introduce you our robot 6-axis. Okay, 可以帮我们操作一下吗？
对，你说。
Okay, now I will show you the 6-axis operate process. Okay, now 第一个钟。Okay, now it's the first axis. Okay, 第二个钟。Okay, now it's the second one. Okay, 第三个钟。
好。
And here is the third axis. 第四个。Okay, now it's our fourth axis. 第5个轴。
我要回来。
Okay, now it is our fifth axis.
这第5个轴啊？
是第5个。
第5个。下一个吗？
第6个轴。
Okay,
here is our sixth axis. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna introduce you our laser cladding pad. For this one, we usually equip LYC06. And this is our high-speed laser cladding pad. And you could check it has many protection lens to protect our laser source and our laser cladding pad. And you could check about this laser cladding nozzle. It is 4-way laser cladding nozzle. And here is 4-way laser cladding, 4-way powder feeder. And here connect with our powder pipe. And here is our water pipe to our laser cladding water chiller. And about this button, you could adjust the laser beam. Usually, LYC06 will adjust to 2 to 5 millimeter the laser beam. And you could check this lower protection lens. You could check it is a door design, and it will be easy to put it in and put it out. Here, you could check. Okay. So now it is very easy to be put in and easy to change. And for the standard FSFR63 machine, we could also equip with other cladding heads such as LYC04 and the inner cladding head. But one thing is, when you want to choose a laser cladding inner head, it is better to equip with a 35 kilograms standard robot and also strict more bearing weight robot. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you our available accessory in our laser cladding machine for SFR6063. Okay, for this one, it is our LYC06. It is usually equipped with 12 kilowatts laser source, and it will be more efficient than the 6 kilowatts laser cladding head LYC04, and it is also have some protection lens to protect the laser cladding head and the laser source. Yes, and it is high cooling effects to protect it very well. And it is also here the button to adjust the laser beam manually, so it will be easy to control. Now let's switch to this one. It is our rectangular laser cladding head. It is usually equipped with some 20 by 2 millimeter and 40 by 2 millimeters. So it will be more efficient to use in the shafts or plates workpieces. And for this one, it is our laser clad inner head, and it usually should use with the workpiece should with less 60 millimeter. Yes, that means the minimum diameter 6 millimeter. Yes, and for this one, it is our actual powder feeder powder nozzle, and it will be equipped with some narrow spot and for some narrow depths to process. And now change to our powder nozzle and powder separator, and this one is our 4-way separator, powder separator, and equip our 4-way powder nozzle. You could check. Okay, very good design. Okay, now it is our 2-way powder separator, to say 2-way, and it is usually equipped our laser clad inner head to use to check. Okay, and this is the 4-way powder nozzle I just mentioned, to equip with a powder separator and the powder from these components, it will send the powders through the powder pipe through these 4 ways, and it will be very well together. Okay, now let's change to our this one. You could check it is our ring powder nozzle, and the powder will be with concentration and around the laser beam very well, and the laser beam will be more concentrated in one small zone. You could check. Okay, now it is now clearly to see it. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna let our engineer help us to do some sampling for you. Okay. Here is our engineer, Mr. Ge. 可以帮我们打个样证吗
OK，
Okay, no problem. Okay, let's see its process. Oh, let's put our glasses first. Safety the first. Okay. Okay, now we are ready. Okay. Now our engineer will do the sampling. The robot, the laser cladding pad is moving. And we should, yes, you could check the laser with the chart. Okay, now the laser cladding is in processing, and let us engineer show some parameters for us. 那个供这个容浮层的那个厚度是多少？
目前是1毫米厚。
For these workpieces, we clad 1 millimeter thickness. And 这个工件适用于什么行业呢？
这个工艺可以适合于钢铁、煤炭、电力行业都可以。
Okay, for this workpiece, we usually use in some steel iron and ONC and electricity and coal mining and etc. industries. So our laser cladding process is a wide range of industries to use. That's it. Okay. 还有什么参数可以分享吗？
就是效率，每小时都可以干多少
？The efficiency is usually 0.5平每小时。
对。
The efficiency is usually 0.5 square meters per hours. So the efficiency is very high. You can see. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna test the workpiece hardness. Okay. Let's switch to that zone. We will use our professional equipment to test the hardness. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna test the hardness of workpiece. And before the cladding, the thickness is very lower and it is no more than 20 HRC. And after cladding, the layer thickness will up to 40, 50, and 60 HRC. And now let's test this one. Okay. Okay, now we test this one's layer. Wow, it is 46 HRC. So it is very hard, and after cladding, you could say it is very good quality and best you could have. Okay, and for the powder, we usually use iron-based alloy and nickel or iron-based alloy, and also some tungsten carbide to choose. Yes, that's it. As you see, our SS bar 6063 is very multifunctional and easy to operate. So if you want more details of this machine, do not hesitate to contact us. See you next time. Bye.